How about this, though? What if I told you there's a such thing as a space hurricane? Yeah, believe it or not, it is a real thing. And this is what scientists believe it may have looked like back in 2014. And scientists just confirmed after sifting through satellite data that there was indeed a space hurricane over Earth about 7 years ago. How about that?
This is something similar to storming, but it ain't the same. Come and take a look and you can see the things that do obtain. Something out of sci-fi, you can catch it forming out of space, out of space. Look at you just might see a space hurricane. What? You just might see a space hurricane. How it formed the same, but you could tell the difference in the rain. If we take a closer look, we're learning how we're doing things. Look to the sky, you just might see a space hurricane. This no ordinary hurricane. This ain't science fiction and it's crazy and it seems insane. Watch the things it doing out of space while it don't make it rain. How this even happens is a mystery that I'll explain. Plasma from the sun gets unleashed, known as solar wind. The wind particles will travel in a cloud without an end. Charging up these particles, they hurl through space and quite exciting. They can fuel magnetic storms and cause the south and northern lights. Now the Earth protects itself with something called magnetic shields. Plasma from the solar cloud interact with magnetic fields. As the cloud passes right over shields, will activate a drain straight from the flow of particles, creating a space hurricane. Unlike counterparts on Earth, this one is raining electrons. Similar to hurricanes is how the storm is spinning on over 100 miles, but the atmosphere is where it spawns. 600 miles wide, this thing is big and bad like Megatron. Whoa! This is something similar to storming, but it ain't the same. Come and take a look and you can see the things that do obtain. Something out of sci-fi, you can catch it forming out of space, out of space. Look up, you just might see a space hurricane. What? You just might see a space hurricane. How it formed the same, but you can tell the difference in the rain. If we take a closer look, we learning how we're doing things. Look to the sky.